y'all, it's Olivia. If you're new here, I make mostly fashion videos and I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe. So today I'm going to be doing the Scarecrow Halloween makeup tutorial. I did not make this up. I know that there are tons of people out there that have done it and I will link them down below, as well as put my inspiration up on the screen now from Pinterest. And I just decided to do it because it's going to be in a video that's already up on my channel, so make sure to go and check that out, where I do last minute Halloween costumes that you already have in your closet. So I'm using this like flannel as part of that outfit, so go and check that out. There's a bunch of different outfits over there. I am just going to be doing it really simple. I'm no makeup artist. This is going to be something that's really easy for anybody that wants to dress up for Halloween to do. You don't have to know makeup well. It's not really that hard. I am just going to go straight into it. So I already have on foundation. I'm just going to take this palette that has super fall colors. It is the Revolution Grow Regeneration Mirage. I don't know. And then I have the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brushes, and I basically just use these two. So I use this one in my crease, which I don't know if that's correct, and then I use this one on my lid. So I'm gonna start out by just taking the color Preserve and going into my crease, or like my upper lid. I don't know much about makeup, so I'm just putting it on. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the JH41 and just do Prosperity. I think I'm just gonna do it all over the lid and not really make it anything special. And then I'm just gonna finish this with liner and mascara. So now I'm just gonna take this lipstick. This is from the dollar store, and I'm gonna put it on my lips and make my nose thing with it. If you had a liner, of course that would be good, but I don't have one. Okay, so that is the completed look. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!